Welcome to Travel with Chu and Mark.
Here we are deep in the jungle now. This is Chu's mum's land, and this used to be a fish tank. So they used to put fish in there and breed the fish, and then over the years the tank broke, and then they just filled it with bamboo and used to sell the bamboo. And this is a house that was started and it was never actually finished. Yeah. If we want to use it, we only got to finish it. But we've got a little room right at the side of the drive there, and there's a toilet up there as well. So Chu's come down to feed the fish in this pond. What, you eating it?
No, I don't eat, I don't smell.
Yeah? I don't think the fish are going to smell it, you know. Everything in Thailand is all fed on rice. Dog eats rice, cats eat rice, cows eat rice, pigs eat rice, fish eat rice.
I don't know the...
No fish in here.
Huh?
There's none in.
I don't like to go.
They're worried they're going to get hit on the head with a plank. Yeah, come and see the fishes. There's some rice in our fridge.
Huh?
There's some rice in our fridge.
Oh, yeah.
Some last night.
Yeah, I get that rice.
What? The fish, they're not going to worry about whether it's old rice.
This one old.
Oh, so the fish can't have old rice now.
Okay, wait. No, I don't want to eat get stomachache.
Oh, the fish might get stomachache. So yeah, this house, it's never got finished. But I shall show you in here. This is a bedroom. There's aircon up there. It's all ready to move in. And then obviously outside on this patio lot. And then there's a toilet and a shower there. Yeah, electric's on. And a sink round the corner there. And then come out here. You still see all the building stuff. And then this is going to be the kitchen area here. The kitchen area under this bit here. But, it's never been finished. And Chu's mum will never finish it. She's alright where she is in her house. And then basically all these trees are all Chu's that you can see, and that goes quite a fair way over to the river Nan. These bananas, aren't they? Like bananas to me. Well, let's chew if they're bananas. I'm pretty sure they're bananas. I'll show you over the fence there. There's a track that goes all the way round through the woods and then brings you back round, and then you can see Chu's mum's house right about there. She's just cut some trees down, but she was worried they were going to fall on the house, so just cut them down, and then that's what all this timber is just here. That's what is here, this timber that's ready here, ready for selling probably. And then She's been to fetch the fresh rice now for the fish. Because they don't want them to get bellyache. Can you see any?
No, because the rice go down. Yeah, it's there. No.
Well, bring it closer to you, then they might come towards this way. You want fish food that floats.
Huh?
You want fish food that floats.
Yeah,
Whenever I, huh?
you see the fish.
I didn't know. I didn't see him the other day when I read about it. The dog likes to come down here for a swim, but he's getting a bit past it now. But the trouble is, this bit of the farm, we'll call it farm, yeah. With this bit of water here, there's lots of mosquitoes, and I can guarantee I'll be bit before I get back.
Yeah.
A bit of a barn over there.
Bamboo.
And what are these called, Chu? This fruit here?
Pomelo.
Pomelo. You see them all growing up there, look. Pomelos here.
Yeah.
And then that's bamboo, what used to be there in that fish tank there. Yeah.
500 baht per night. 200 baht homestay. How much in pound? 10 pound.
About 11.
11 pound.
£11 a night. It comes with resident security guard and mum.
Yeah.
I've left the door open. Hang on, shut this door. Yeah. If you want to come and finish it and put the kitchen area in and paint the walls, we'll let you have it for free for a few weeks.
Yeah.
It's got aircon and satellite TV. Electricity's all done. The lights are all done. It just needs the back fence doing here, painting, kitchen area, and then it needs a better track putting in, so a bit more of some chatter putting round to the track. And that's it. Oh, and a bit more fence in here so you don't break your neck.
Here 11 pound, there 1 pound.
A quid. I've never actually been over there. So we're going to have a look, see what's in there. I've never been over there.
Chicken, how?
If you see a snake, let me know. Oh, there's chickens in here then. Oh, this would fit chickens.
It's something there. It's go there. They can eat the wood. The how? I don't know what.
Oh, termites. Not weird, termites. What's these things then? Is that what they are? These all these holes?
Oh, like a insect.
Oh. There's a lot of ants at the moment. We've been bit by ants a lot wherever we've been.
Yeah,
This banana.
banana tree.
So them all over there, banana then, yeah?
Banana.
Oh, there's a lot of banana trees. So your mum's going to be living on bananas in a bit.
Mango. This is mango.
This one's mango.
But no mango.
No mango. There's another shed over there, Chu. What was that shed then?
Same thing.
Oh, this one's quite big. I'm digging something out of there, so there's some kind of idea going on. So this is the dormitory for rent. It's £1 a person a night.
Yeah.
And
You can
water
here.
is there and shower facilities.
And know.
And if you need the toilet, we've got a shovel.
If no food, you can
And-
catch the fish.
Tissue to wipe your bum.
Yeah. You can catch
Here,
the
look.
fish.
What do you call these? Pomelo.
Pomelo.
These aren't ready yet. They've got to get about double that size, isn't it?
Yeah.
About double. That's about 300 gram, 400 gram there. So it's quite a lot, isn't it?
Yeah.
They're probably a kilo every time they're done. So we'll take you to the River Nan another day through Chew's Land. I like to put some trousers on when I go through there. Look, there's a bloody insect there, look.
What is that?
I have no idea, looks like a cockroach, I reckon.
Oh. That is the trap for catch the fish.
Yeah, you put that in, the water and the fish go into it, into the hole, and then they can't get out. Made out of bottles.
No, traditional homemade. This is the bamboo wood. And
Yeah.
the what?
Top of the bottles,
Yeah.
like a funnel. She didn't know what a funnel was the other day, so we had to explain a funnel to her, but then we still forgot it.
I said cone.
Yeah, they call it a cone. That's as we eat cones, ice creams. Or traffic cone. That's it. Right, we'll walk back.
I will put mosquito.
We'll get eaten alive.
My mother burning.
Oh yeah, Mum this morning.
She said that's matter. That
She's
the
got
tree.
up and started burning and cutting rubbish down. Looks like she's had a bit of fun today, isn't it?
She said that's okay. Pamela tree just die. It die.
There's loads of them. Look at them all.
A lot. Actually, it's a lot more than this.
What's she going to do with them? Will she sell them or not?
Don't know. Don't want now and start to grow another.
Another tree. Oh,
That get bought with the tree already.
right. Oh, that's why she's cut these down then.
She want to be clear and then she would like to grow something like.
Oh, right. Okay. So next time we come, we'll probably have basil growing or something. Papaya. I remember more trees here when we come last. So I think
Yeah,
she's
more
cut a
trees.
lot down.
She cut a lot and coconut tree. This is coconut tree. And bamboo tree.
Yeah, just
She
said
do.
that broke.
She do by herself. Yeah. Like get bored with this thing before. Like oh I like to go, I like to go, and now don't want.
Well, there we go. That completes today's vlog.
Okay.
So, well, that's eggplant. So your mum wants to fetch eggplant today, and
Yeah.
she's got one.
But the pink one is not good.
Mm. So yeah, that completes the vlog today. So hang on, more excitement. What's that then?
The flower of banana
Here's a tree that she's cut down. That's fresh cut down.
mango tree. Have you seen this?
I've no idea what it is.
The flower of banana. Like
Oh, is that going to be
banana
bananas?
Yeah.
Oh, so this is your bananas coming out. Look.
Yeah.
Yes, I bet the sun's in the way. Let's go the other side. Oh, right. So that's the flower before the bananas come.
Yeah.
A banana tree, actually.
No, yeah.
Hey?
Yeah.
What?
Not there.
Yeah, there. A banana tree. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
bamboo. I know that. She's holding it up.
Oh.
A banana tree only flowers once. So once them bananas come out, they chop it down at the bottom. That's it.
Yeah.
And then start again with more bananas. They don't keep coming. So that literally, how long does it take to get there? To a year?
To get the banana, maybe 4 months.
So this grows in
Another
4 months. Quick, innit? So yeah, like I'm saying, that's going to complete today's vlog. And remember to hit that subscribe button because that'll help us out immensely. Drop us a like and say hello in the comments. And any questions you got about Thailand, just ask. So thanks for following and thanks for watching.
mosquito.